On top inside Edo today, Edo State Deputy Governor don carry waka enter Ring Road for COVID-19 sensitization rally. The Chairmo Immunization Task Force wey be Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don join body with Edo State Ministry of Health wey collabo with World Health Organization WHO as dem celebrate African Vaccination Week with theme "Vaccine go bring us together to universal health coverage." The waka wey deputy do for inside Benin today come make the people happy well and come increase their will to take the vaccine.
For how many years now they want test? How many years between one test start?
0 to 33 months. Yeah, for you. You credit now coronavirus vaccine. From on Tuesday for agency for here. Shabu no koro. Without vaccine, don't do it. They take kill koro. If you take them, you know we'll get koro. Check and there. Now me be this. I don't take my own. If you want to make money, if you not get strength, you will feel make money. And so take this one to protect you. I don't want to make you day inside hospital. If you dey hospital, you will feel make money. All right, well done.
Deputy Governor say the waka na to remind Edo people why dem need to take the vaccine and where they go fit take am for free. He say they very happy as people they receive the news well and as then they willing to take the vaccine.
Yes, I'm happy that our people are receiving it in good faith and they are also aware. In terms of sensitization, we've been doing a lot of public awareness campaign and sensitization. And the good news is that our people, we're only just reminding them. They're already aware, but we're just reminding them. And you can see, we went around now, you can see the acceptability. And some of them are even telling us what we're about to tell them. So if you don't go around like that to sensitize the people, you will not actually know that they still remember what their duties are. Going around now has further confirmed that the work we are doing is being accepted by the people. And what we have just done today is just reawaken their consciousness. And also to let them know that from Tuesday, areas where they can get coronavirus vaccine for free. And they are willing to take the vaccine now. You listen to that woman just now, was saying, where do we go? And we told her and she was excited. And you see the other young man was like, I will even pass the message to others. So that is all what we wanted to achieve, and we're achieving it. So, and don't forget, conscientization and public awareness is a continuous process. There are some that we converted today. There are some that we only reminded them of their own social responsibility. So I want to thank the team for a job well done, and we'll continue to do what is needful for our people to know that vaccine is key.
The Executive Secretary, Edo State Primary Care Agency, Dr. Julie Erabo, say apart from the normal vaccination for some common illnesses where they're on ground, that they also increase the sensitization on COVID-19 as them don't receive about 6,200 fresh vaccines to play around with.
You heard what the Deputy Governor just said, who is the chairman of the Immunization Task Force in Edo State. When it has to do with immunization, it is very passionate here because we want to know that all our children are protected from vaccine preventable diseases. So far, apart from the routine immunization, which is immunization against tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis, diphtheria, yellow fever, many, we are also showcasing and increasing sensitization on COVID-19 vaccine, which we just have additional vaccines. So we are telling people that we have more vaccines. They should make themselves available to take this vaccine. It is free, and you find it in places like Specialist Hospital, UBTH, Uniben, There are also other mobile stations whereby those people that couldn't come over will go to them to give them the vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine is very important because it's one of the preventive ways against this pandemic. So apart from using your face mask, hand sanitizer and social distancing, this is another way to prevent it. But it's very important that after the first dose, you're not fully protected. You still have to maintain your social distances, face mask and hand sanitizer until you take your second dose, which is at least 6 weeks in between the first and second dose. We have about 6,200 to play around with before the next phase. So people should come around and utilize the opportunity.
Make una no forget say corona never go. Wear face masks, wash your hands and use hand sanitizers. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey MCTV carry come Govunor on top Inside Edo today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.